Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I can confirm that the extra update, the one that is not a cumulative update on Windows 10, some of you have seen it. I see a lot of comments of people seeing it appear on their machines. It really has to do with the Windows recovery environment and the BitLocker security flaw. It's kind of an update to the previous updates for that security flaw. So in your update, and I can show you here, you might see that in Windows 10 you have KB5048239. It's a standalone security update. It doesn't have the cumulative update tag to it. It's really standalone. And the reason why it's a standalone is because of its risk of failing. Now, it's supposed to not show up if your PC does not meet that requirement of enough space on the recovery environment drive, and if you don't use, if you don't have a recovery partition and so on. But it seems that for a couple of people it's failing constantly again. So can you hide it? Yes, you can. We've shown you how to do so. I'm going to wait to see how many people have the flaw, but if you've used the show hide update tool, you can use the hide tool to hide this specific update. It won't prevent any other updates from installing. That's why it's a cumulative. It's not a cumulative update because it won't interfere with the other updates. So this definitely is a Windows recovery environment update that is pushed today. Note, I had to reinstall it a second time. The first time it failed, but when I restarted the PC and I actually asked for it to install, it installed correctly the second time around. So if it fails first, try at least once or twice. And if it continues failing all the time, then you can use the show hide tool to hide this update so it doesn't bother you again for the future. So this was pushed today at the same time as the security updates for Patch Tuesday for Windows 10 22H2. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.